What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today's gonna be a good one. We're actually gonna be taking a trip over to MWorks Garage, which is a local shop here in Cincinnati. They work on a lot of BMWs primarily, but they do other cars. So if you guys are in the greater Cincinnati area, definitely go check them out. Today's video is gonna be a good one because we are actually going to be putting something on my F80 M3. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you may have seen some recent posts and stories about the new mod. So we actually have a new sponsor on the channel. Huge shout out to Richland Forged. It's a wheel company and they've graciously sponsored this channel and sponsored this video, and they sent over a set of wheels for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what those look like. So before I go ahead and show you guys these wheels, just a little quick information about Richland Forged. So if you guys are in the F80 community, you have probably heard of Richland Forged. So they've got a couple different style wheels. It's very similar to the OEM BMW M wheels. And Richland Forged was established by some aerospace engineers who have really long ties to BMWs. So this brand is owned by a bunch of BMW enthusiasts, and these wheels are fabricated out of aerospace grade 6061 T6 aluminum. Really high quality wheel, and they look fantastic. I cannot wait to show you guys, but I have nothing but great things to say about Richland Forged. The owner, Lyle, super nice guy, very well spoken, very communicative. So if you guys are looking to purchase a set of these wheels, whether it's these wheels or something else on their website, I will definitely have a discount code in my description below. So definitely take advantage of that. It saves you $200 on a set of wheels that are completely custom and made for you. But once again, nothing but really great things to say about Richland Forged and Lyle, so huge shout out to them. Also, be sure to go check them out at richlandforged.com. This is their website here, and also definitely go check them out on Instagram. So it's at Richland Forged. So really awesome stuff here just on their website. You can kind of acquire about what kind of wheels they do for what models. So they do stuff for the X series, M2, 3, 4, M6, Q7. So they're Cayenne. They're getting into different things here, which is really awesome. But they have a couple different styles here. I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. So as you guys can see, they've got a few here. So they make an 18-inch version of this one here. This is the RF GT4 style wheel. This is the 19-inch version. And then they also have the Project Diablo, the rf-dspec. So this is actually the wheel that I have. So if you notice, it's very similar style to the stock wheels, the stock 666M wheel. So hence the name Project Diablo. And it's actually just a more aggressive version of my current setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what those look like. Alright guys, so there you go. Once again, these are the Richland Forged rf-dspec, aka Project Diablo. So if you can't tell, these are a very similar style to the OEM 666M wheels. And this particular wheel that I have here outside of the box already is a 20 by 11 ET44. And so the fronts are actually going to be a 20 by 9.5 ET22. And I've already posted, pictures of these on my Instagram page, and I'm already getting questions about the weights for these. So if you wanted to know, so these particular ones being the 9.5 and 11, the 9.5 ET22 is a 26.5 pound wheel, and then the 20 by 11 ET44 is a 27.4 pounds. So these are very comparable to the OEM 666s in terms of weight, just slightly more, but what's great is you get a more aggressive offset, deeper concavity, and they're a little bit wider than the stock ones. And if you're looking to purchase these in a 19-inch setup, they actually make these in a 19 by 9.5 ET22, which is 23.6 pounds, and then a 19 by 11 ET44, which is 24.3 pounds. So you do have some options. And as you guys can see, the fit and finish here is completely amazing and beautiful looking. So these are going to be the double tinted brushed bronze. So you can tell that these are hand brushed. Super nice. And then I went with the double tint, so they're a little bit darker. If you look on the website, they have a tinted bronze, but this is double tinted, so paid a little extra to have these double tinted. They made them a little bit darker, and you know, the lighting is really going to play a factor on these because it's a little bit gloomy outside right now, and you can tell how bronze these look, but in the sunlight these really pop. And then one other thing I want to mention about these wheels is that it does come with OEM BMW center caps, as well as a little OEM M sticker here, so that's what that'll look like. But they do have an option to do a billet cap that's also a brushed matching finish, but I opted to do the BMWs. So additionally, I did buy some new TPMS sensors from tpms.com. Those are gonna be black. And yeah, so I've also got some tires here as well. All right, so once again, these are 20s, so here are my tires that I'm going to be throwing on these wheels. They are Michelin Pilot Super Sports, and then the fronts are a 275/30/20, and then the rears are a 295/30/20. So now we've got the fun task of putting 4 wheels and 4 tires in the car. So actually my my good friend Drew is going to come over with his E90. We're going to put the wheels in his car and put the tires in mine. Alright guys, so a little progress report for you. Drew is actually driving behind me right now, which you probably can't see him, but he's got all 4 wheels in his car, and I've got all of the tires in my car. So we're going to go to MWorks, get this mounted, and I plan on doing a ceramic coating on here, on these wheels. So I'll probably spare you on that because there's other videos on my channel of me showing you how to ceramic coat wheels, so that process is going to be the same. I'm using some Geon rim, so I will probably do that, and then I will eventually mount these on the car, and I'll come back to you. All right, so fast forward a couple days, I already put 2 coats of Geon rim on the new wheels, as well as center caps. And yeah, so we're actually going to be putting them on the car now. So as you can see, I've already got the car kind of in the air over here, and the new wheels are outside. So I'm going to start taking this apart. Also, I do want to point out that the front has 15mm spacers on them currently, and then the rear's got 10, I believe. So the new setup, we're actually going to be eliminating this. So I'm going to pull these off too. All right, driver's front, passenger rear, or driver rear. So that's as far as I've gotten so far. Just in case you forgot what the OEM wheels look like. Alright guys, so pretty simple install. If you don't know how to mount wheels, then you need to watch the channel more, I guess. But my camera died, so now I'm doing this on my cell phone. Unfortunately, the weather has not been really that great around here lately, so the car is super dirty, but I still want to show you guys what the actual wheels look like on the car. So do a quick walk around.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so you guys have a better idea of what this looks like. What's crazy about bronze is that it changes color constantly depending on the light, and what's also crazy is the paint obviously does the same thing. So this looks completely different in different lighting, different times of day, depending on how sunny or how dark it is outside. So there you go. And then fitment obviously is, I pulled the spacers off, so fitment is very similar to what it was before, just without the spacers, and you can tell that the concavity is a bit more in the centers. So alright guys, so I think it looks pretty good. I guess let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I've definitely already posted some pictures on Instagram of this, so I will have to clean the car up soon and actually take some better, more professional photos, if you will. But generally speaking, that's about what it looks like. So let me know in the comments below if you actually like it, hate it. Do you like the silver better? Do you wish I did something else? I don't know, you let me know. But once again, huge thanks again to the guys over at Richland Forged. Lyle, super awesome, great guy, very communicative, very easy to work with, and it was worth the wait, as you guys can tell. So if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about the wheel specs or anything like that, check the video description below, and definitely check out Richland Forged. And if you're looking to purchase a set of these, I actually have a discount code for Richland Forged, so check that out below in the video description. We'll see you guys in the next video.